Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, today I'm doing the current feelings of your partner. Let's see what's going on in your person's life and what they are thinking about you right now. Let me see. The King of Wands card is coming. Your person wants to take action, or they want to come in their authenticity, or they want to be the person who, the kind of person you are thinking about. Actually, the kind of person you expect from them. They want to be that kind of person. Just see, the lion is behind them. Their courage is still not exactly the courage you are expecting them to take action. Still they are trying to gain confidence, they are trying to get the courage. This kind of energy or person, the person is still doesn't have that much strength or courage to come in front of you. Actually, Five of Wands card is coming. This person is having a lot of mental conflict right now. Lot of mental conflicts they are going through. Maybe financial problem or third party problems, or they third party created some problems in their life. Because of that also this person can be having mental conflicts, or they are about to make a decision or how to approach you. That also is creating a mental conflict in this person's mind. Definitely this person, whoever you are watching this reading, your person is definitely single right now, because Nine of Pentacles for me is always a single card. This person is not into third party relationship. Even if suppose this person is involved with the third party relationship, this relationship is about to end. You can say that nothing is left in this relationship with the third party. So you can say a person is almost single, and they are working on their self. They want to be abundant, they want to be to grow in their business or in their job. Anything they are doing, they want to be financially abundant right now. So they are focusing more on the abundance side. You can say that the person is having lot of mental conflicts, and that's quite possibility many people are pulling down your person. Maybe some friends or relatives, they don't think good about your person. So I feel some people are definitely trying to pull down your person. They don't think much good about your person. You can say that. So that kind of competition is also going on in your person's life. You can say with either in the business or in a family life, something like that. Knight of Cups, a person is definitely feeling love for you. They want to come towards you with an apology. I can say that, because Knight of Cups is with the flowers. You can say this person definitely feeling very guilty, and they want to apologize to you. This card always signifies for me an apology or something like that, or definitely they are feeling love for you. But just see how this person is not very happy. So you can say it can be an apology. They want to give it to you, because now this person is realizing their mistakes also. This, see, you can see that the message card is also kept next to this ball. So definitely they have prepared their message also, but they are not sending it to you. That's a different thing, but they can send you, because there's a strong possibility of it. Ten of Wands card is coming, and plus the Hangman card is coming, and the Knight of Swords. This person actually, they are tired of everything. Ten of Wands means closing of major cycles, closing of major chapters in their life. I'm telling you, if a person is in third party at present, then this chapter is about to close, because it's almost over. So Ten of Wands also signifies that also. Or Ten of Wands also signifies that the all major problems that the person and you both are facing, or struggles that you are facing, that one chapter is closing in your life. Ten of Wands always signifies major endings, and plus this also signifies this person is completely harassed now. They are not in the capacity to take any action, and they are not in the capacity to take any nonsense right now, whether it's from the third party or their family members or anyone else. So this person is packing their bags, and just see they are moving out towards somewhere, something. So they are planning a trip out to relax or something like that, because this person is definitely walking out. If they are in third party relationship, then definitely either third party is walking out of their life, or they are walking out of the third party's life. This is for sure. And Hanged Man, actually they have stalled everything in their life. They are in completely Hanged Man position. They have brought a pause in their life. You can say that if you are not feeling any action from your person's side, or they are not behaving the visual way they used to behave in the past, so you may be feeling that this person has gone little numb or something like that, because this person in a Hanged Man position, they have paused everything in their life. They are not feeling very action oriented. They don't feel like taking any action towards anyone actually. So you can say the pause has come in your life or their person's life. Because of that, they are not communicating with you, or they are not behaving the usual self they used to behave. That thing is going on. Knight of Swords, this person is definitely running towards something. Either they are running away from you, or they are running away from the third party, or they are running away from the situation, because this person is not in the mental state to take all this pressure. So they want to run away from all these things, so they are packing their bags and they are moving out, or maybe they want to relax for some time, because they need some time actually. This person is not in a position to take any action or something like that, because lot of mental conflicts, when a person is going through a mental conflict, mental pressure, they need space and they need time to analyze everything. They need someone to guide them properly. So they are looking for some guidance also, you can say that. Flow, just see, this person is going just with the flow. All these things that is happening in you and your person's life was destined to happen actually. Whatever karma baggage you had, you can say that because of that you both faced all these things. So this person is completely actually heartbroken at present, you can see. They are just simply going with the flow, and just see, this person is half in the water. So they are full of emotions right now, you can see, even say that they are full of emotions. 20 number card is always a card of awakening. This person is going through an awakening process, a rebirth process, you can say that. So when a person goes through a rebirth process, it is very very hard actually in the beginning for that person who was a runner in the past. So they are realizing the mistakes, they are realizing what wrong they have done, they are realizing that you are the long term person and they were running after someone else. So all these mistakes, they are coming in front of their life. This awakening is coming to your person. So it's very very painful for your person, and because of that this person is going through a lot of mental conflict also, you can say. But this person with the awakening and plus shine card, both for me is an awakening card. Just see, this person's heart is opening, you can say that. So the sun is shining, you can say the sun is shining in your life. The sun will shine in your life if it is not shining. So this person, let this person come out of the complete awakening. Let him or her realize that, yeah, they let him with 100% sure, yeah, this is my only person, because they want to definitely think about in a high regards. They definitely want to nurture this relationship. They want to take this relationship to a next level actually. All this, see, all major arcana, 20, 19, number 3, all these are major arcana cards. So this person definitely feels a strong feeling for you. They are going through an awakening process, but this awakening process is little hard on your person, you can say that. Because of that they are taking time, and they are feeling guilty also, and they are in a hanged man position also. So let them take time and let them sort out all things in their life, then only they will approach you. See, what a beautiful card. This person is thinking a lot about giving you a commitment and offering you something like that. They are thinking a lot, you can say that. This person is a completely thinking man. Family, the family card is coming, happy family. Just see, this person, they know that this is a permanent relationship card. They know that this person is my long term commitment. I have to give commitment to this person. Contract card is coming. Suppose the person is already married on a third party relationship, so they can be thinking about giving a divorce to the third party, because they have realized their true love for you. They want to come in union with you and they want to give you commitment. They are completely in their heart space actually, man holding a heart. But this person is going through a lot of guilt also at the same time. They are realizing their mistake, because this awakening process of this person has started. So because of that this person is feeling very very guilty. Whatever words they told you, or whatever misbehavior they have done with you in the past, or the way they behave with you, or they tried to show you down, the way you were contacting them continuously and they were ignoring your calls, they were ghosting you, all these things, their person is making them feel very very guilty. Or when the person is in a guilt, they can't face the person with whom they have done the bad. So, and especially the person, they now realize it is a very important person in my life, and this is going to be a life partner. So just imagine the condition of that person. Just imagine if you were in this place, how you would have felt. That exactly the same feeling your person is facing right now. So it's a very very overwhelming feeling for this person, and they are really really very heartening for them also, you can say. Very very emotional also. If this person is crying also, then also I can't rule out, because this man holding a heart, and they see how this condition of this person. So I am getting very sad energy from this person actually. And just see, this person is realizing that you were the wealth in their life which they missed completely. they are realizing they're a privileged lady, they are realizing now that yeah, you were the privileged person in their life, but they changed their outlook and they went towards a false person who was wearing the mask. They chose the karmic person in their life. They are realizing that they have chosen the wrong person in their life, and they missed the opportunity, the right person in their life. Now they will have a change of heart, and they will remove the mask of the third party, or the third party's mask has already removed, and because of that this person is feeling all these things. Even you can say that. So this person is in a guilt conscious, you can say that. It will take time for this person to come out of the guilt consciousness, but then too I will clarify one more card what this person is going to do next, actually just with one card. Door to spirit, only the door to spirit or the spiritual awakening of this person will help. And again, this is a 5-number card, so change is definitely bound to come. This awakening will definitely bring a big change in this person's life, and this door to spiritual awakening has opened. You can say that this person is moving towards their awakening, and they are progressing in that also, you can say that. So it's a good news. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope you got the idea what your person is feeling right now.